Welcome to CalmWalk channel. We have a new camera from ORDRO M5 which we are planning to use on our walks, and we're gonna make an unboxing video. It's coming with a hard case. We have a wrist strap for remote controlling, hand strap for stabilization, and Type-C USB cable with user manuals, and screen wipe, which we probably going to need on the forest. I'm checking the other side. Camera's here. Before I open the camera, I'm going to check this pocket. There's a nice standard tripod for stabilization. I'll put it here. HDMI transport cable. I'll put it here. Good part is it's coming with 64GB SanDisk Extreme micro SD, which you don't need to buy external one, and it also came with remote control wristband. I think you are stabilizing it here and you can just remote to control it while you are recording at the same time. So we are going to open our camera the first time. Let's see. It has 3-axis gimbal here, and input is 5 volts. I'm taking out this, and from that screen. This camera also has an infrared, which we are going to make some full review when we are going outside. And we're probably going to be able to record during pitch dark as well. Yep, thank you for joining.